There is a modern way to curl your hair with a flat iron, and there is a very outdated way to curl your hair with a flat iron. This was then, and this is now. I taught you how to curl your hair with a straightener in this video, and this is the outdated way. Now you're probably wondering, why, Gabby? Why did you teach us the outdated way? It's because you need to know all the ways to do all the things when it comes to hair. The better equipped you are at using your hot tools, the more tools you have in your hair tool belt, the more likely you are to achieve a great hair result, because you can pivot from technique to technique for different situations. Now, I gotta say that this way that I taught you in that video is hardly how I ever curl using a flat iron now. Right now, people are loving hair that has soft texture and not a overly bouncy curl or an overly structured curl. People like things that have movement, that have softness, and that have a wave-like pattern instead of a coily or a ringlet pattern. Now, if you've mastered this old technique, don't worry, because it still comes in handy a lot of the time. If you are doing an updo and you want that curl pattern, but it's up, this is a really great way to get really fast, long-lasting curls. I also use this technique on little girls, like flower girls or junior bridesmaids, girls where their hair just won't hold a curl. This is a great technique for girls whose hair will absolutely not hold a curl. Curling with a straightener in this way creates a really bouncy, coily curl that tends to last really, really long, especially in little girl hair. It works for little girls. But today I'm going to teach you a new way. Let's go. What you want to do is start by clamping the iron on the hair and rotating once. Then I open up the iron, take it out of the hair, find where that curl ended and do it again. Take the iron out, find where the curl ended, and do it again. You're gonna move all the way down the hair shaft doing this technique. Obviously, the longer the hair, the more times you're going to have to do that one curl, pull out, and then do another curl. What you end up getting here is a long curl instead of a spirally or a bouncy curl. Continue this technique moving all the way up the head. My favorite way to do it is to create an imaginary line in the center of the head and curl towards that line. This is also known as curling away from the face. Some people really love having their hair curled away from the face. Some people really love having a more irregular curl pattern, so it looks a little bit more natural. I curled my hair today all away from the face. You can see kind of the shape that it gives me. If you want something a little bit more natural, then you can alternate curling. Just make sure that everything right in the perimeter of the face gets curled away. Once I finish curling, I like to take a wide tooth comb. I will leave a link in the description box if you want to buy one, and comb the entire thing out. A few blasts of a texture spray and you're good to go. This wave is modern, it's beachy, it's not fussy, and it's very wearable. I find that it looks amazing on anyone, any age, who basically has a bob length or longer. It works for any hair texture from fine hair all the way to super thick or dense hair. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever seen anyone using this technique before, and if you're going to try it, and if you think that you'll be able to actually do it. As always, if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me grow. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.